Hello, my name is James Sutton. I am submitting for the Flappy project on GD50. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate the random elements that I've introduced to the game. So the gap height, I've got two variables here, min and max gap height, 80 and 150, and every pair that we draw, we just generate a new random between those two variables, and that gives us a random gap height. So the spacing, I've introduced a new variable here called self next pipe time, and on update we will check if the timer has reached that next pipe time, and when it has, we will draw a new pipe pair and then generate a new random pipe time between this min max of 1.5 and 2.5, and that number is a float, so it can be a large scale of random between those two numbers. Yeah, I'll demo that now. Okay, and you can see that in effect here where these two pipes have got slightly different spacing and they are quite far apart, and now these next three are very close together, and you can see the dramatic change in gap that you can get with those variables. If I can get to 5, I'll be able to demo the medal here as well. Yep, so we got 6 points, so for anything over 5 we'll get a bronze medal, and I'll just show you the code for that now. So in the score states, I've got a if statement here that is going to run through. Have we got more than 5 points, then it's going to show that woohoo message and the bronze medal. And then if we get more than 10 points, we're going to get a silver medal, and if it's more than 20, then we'll get a gold medal. Moving on to the pause state, there's a new state here that I've introduced, which stores all of the game variables while the game is paused, and then passes them back to the countdown, so that we are going to see the countdown and then we'll go back into the game. There's a sound effect that will play, and the regular music will pause and then restart when the player presses P again to pause, to unpause the game. So press P to change the state to pause and send through all of these variables, and then store them until we continue, and then pass them on to the countdown state, which does much the same thing, stores the variables and then passes them on to the play state when the countdown's finished. So I've removed the code from the init function here and moved it down to the enter, so that if when we enter the state we've got parameters, we can use them to continue our last game. But if it's a new game and we've got no parameters, then we're going to initialize a new game, just as we did in the init function from the source code. Okay, I'll demo that now. So I should get a point here, and the game is paused, the sound effect has played. When I press P, we'll see the countdown, and then I'll go back into the game with 1 point. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get to 10 points here and demo the silver medal. First try. Okay, so I've got 10 points here, and it's given me a silver medal at the end of the game. I'll just show the kill screen, because I don't think we've actually seen that yet. Just crash into this pipe. So there's the original kill screen, and at the end I'll add in a video where I got a gold medal as well. Okay. Thank you very much. My name's James Sutton, submitting for GD50. I was testing the pause menu, and I actually got to the end and got 20 points, which is a gold medal. So I just wanted to include that here. There's no audio because something went wrong with that. But I wasn't set up for recording, so this is just a quick clip for the end.